NASA says it's made a major discovery confirming the existence of a planet which is strikingly similar to our own. It's called Kepler 22b, and many of its characteristics are so like ours that scientists are calling it Earth's twin. Astronomist Ian Ripper has the explanation.
Well, NASA is saying this is the, and I quote, a major milestone on the road to finding Earth's twin. I wouldn't describe this planet exactly as Earth's twin because they're saying it's something like 2.5 times larger than our own Earth. So you could probably think of it as being its bigger brother. But it's certainly, as they say, an important step, and one of only a large number of planet candidates that have been discovered by this space telescope called Kepler, which NASA launched 2.5 years ago. And that's been staring steadily at one area of sky, studying over 100,000 stars for evidence of planets going around them. And today they've announced the existence of over 1,000 new potential candidates, which they still have to confirm. But just having a planet on its own isn't enough. You've got to have the right sort of planet around the right sort of star and at the right sort of distance. Now, our own sun is a star. It's a very average star. What we haven't known so far is whether or not our Earth is typical. Now, astronomers already know of hundreds of other planets going around other stars, but none of them are very much like the Earth. Most of the ones that have been discovered so far are giant planets, much more like the planet Jupiter, and not really good candidates for supporting life. But the one that they've come up with today goes round a star which is quite like the Sun. It's a little bit smaller and cooler, so that in fact the planet orbits a little closer in. It's got a year of about 9.5 months. As I say, the planet itself is something like 2.5 times the size of the Earth. But they still don't know what the planet is like. It might not have an atmosphere. It might be a ball of rock, like a very much larger version of our own moon. It might be entirely covered with water. That's something which is still completely unknown. And, of course, it's something that they're going to concentrate on now as they do follow-up observations.